What if I told you the most dangerous thing in your home isn't under the sink, but in your pantry? We are living in an era of slow, delicious poison. Every bite you take is either a brick in your health or a match in your inflammation. Welcome to a 10-minute masterclass that could save your life. Today we go beyond the labels. We expose the silent crisis of processed food and rediscover the ancient, undeniable power of real healing. So, here's the first forensic question. Are you actually nourishing your cells, or are you just filling a biological void with chemicals designed to make you crave more? Think about the last thing you ate. Was it information for health or for disease? Chapter 1. The Silent Pandemic. We have replaced real nutrients with synthetic additives. The result? A society that is overfed, yet biologically starving. We are seeing a rise in metabolic failure like never before. Chronic inflammation is the silent killer behind heart disease, diabetes, and even depression. For many of us, our diet is the constant match that keeps the fire burning. We are literally smoldering from the inside out. If you don't put out the fire now, the damage becomes permanent. This is your 2-minute warning. The market won't save you, only your plate can. Are you ready to see the truth? Chapter 2. The Great Depletion. Even our healthy food you buy is losing its power. Modern farming has exhausted our soil. Today, you'd need to eat 8 oranges to get the vitamin C your grandparents got from just 1. Think about that. If our food is empty, our bodies become empty. We eat more because we are searching for the nutrients that aren't there. We are trapped in a cycle of constant hunger and declining health. Chapter 3. Sugar. It is 8 times more addictive than cocaine. It is hidden in 74% of everything in your grocery store. It is the architect of biological failure, designed to hijack your brain's reward center. We are 4 minutes in. Do you feel in control of your cravings, or are you just following a biological script written by food scientists? Your brain has been hijacked. It's time to take it back. Chapter 4. Your second brain. Your gut contains 100 trillion bacteria. They control your mood, your immunity, and your clarity. When you feed them processed junk, you are poisoning your primary defense system. When your gut breaks down, your whole body follows. The brain fog, the fatigue, the constant sickness. It all starts at the source. If you don't change your inputs, you can't expect a different output. We are halfway through. This is the moment of choice. Will you continue to rely on a pill to manage a symptom, or will you use your plate to fix the cause? One leads to management, the other leads to healing. Chapter 5. Back to the source. Real food has no ingredients list. Real food is the ingredient. It is a biological package of information that tells your cells how to function, how to repair, and how to heal. Plants contain phytochemicals that actually communicate with your DNA. They can turn off the genes that promote disease and turn on the ones that promote longevity. Your food is literally talking to your genes. Chapter 6. The Kitchen Pharmacy. Every meal is a medical intervention. Turmeric, berries, cruciferous greens. These aren't just foods. They are your elite biological soldiers. They fight for you every single time you eat. 8 minutes in. Every day you wait to choose real food is a day the damage compounds. But every real meal you eat is a day your body starts to rebuild. The compounding works both ways. Which path are you choosing? Chapter 7. The Healing Arc. In just 3 days of real food, your blood sugar stabilizes. In 7 days, your energy levels shift. In 30 days, your entire biological baseline resets. Your body knows exactly what to do. Everyone is different. Your body will tell you what it needs if you stop drowning it in noise. Listen to the signals, the energy, the skin, the sleep. They are all reports from your internal forensic lab. 10 minutes. This is your final warning. Your health is the most valuable asset you will ever own. If you don't protect it, no amount of money or medicine can buy it back. The time to heal is right now. We've exposed the crisis and we've found the cure. Real food is not just a diet, it is a biological revolution. You have the report. Now you have the responsibility. The healing power you seek isn't found in a laboratory. It's waiting for you at the source. It's in the soil, the plants, and the choices you make every single day. Thank you for choosing to reclaim your life. Your health is the global impact we need. Please like and follow for more deep dives into real food and real healing. I'll see you at the source.